This is Frances McCarthy with MTU's Blackrock Castle Observatory with a short tour of the evening sky for Space Week. We're imagining that we're on the west coast at Ballycroy, looking out at the setting sun over Achill. We're using the software Stellarium, and it has some features that enable you to see what we're referring to. So down at the bottom we have our location and our time. So this is about 6 p.m. on the 4th of October, and you can see the sun is about to set. We'll speed up time and go through to sunset, pausing shortly after 7:30. As we look west, the very bright star Arcturus is in view. If we scan around the rest of the sky, only a handful of bright stars are visible, and of course a bright moon just rising between east and southeast. Not quite a full moon, as we'll see if we zoom into it, but very, very bright. And that bright moon might overpower some of the fainter objects that we're interested in seeing as we look to the east. In particular, just to the left of the moon on the 4th, very close to the moon on the 5th, to the right of the moon on the 6th, and standing proud and alone on the 9th and the 10th, this is the planet Saturn. And you can see the difference just a few days makes. We're really getting darker earlier each night. To see Saturn, turn your back on the setting sun and it will just be rising in the east at sunset. Zooming in shows us the telescope view. If we pull back, it appears as a bright star just above the eastern horizon. If you're not sure you're looking at the right object, immediately above it you can find 4 stars in a large square. Those are the stars of the constellation Pegasus, known as the Great Square of Pegasus. Connected to Pegasus is Andromeda. I like to think of it as the tail of the flying horse, although it is its own constellation. And the tail allows us to spot a beautiful deep sky object. So you come out of the square, along the tail and up, and you're looking for a something, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now this is the view from a large telescope with a long exposure photograph. But your number 1 eyeballs are able to see the center of this galaxy as a little smudge of a blur just above the tail of Pegasus. Easier when there isn't the bright moon, so look for this at the end of Space Week, on the 10th, just after sunset.